So now what you want to do is you want to take your working yarn, which is the yarn that comes off of the skein, and pull it through. So we're going to take this yarn and literally just pull it through. And that's your first chain. So now you're going to move your thumb and your middle finger up along the base as you go. So as you continue to pull through, you're going to move your thumb and your middle finger up along with it and continue to pull through to make your chains. So right here, this is your chain being made. I'm going to continue to move my thumb and my middle finger up as I go along. My finger is guiding the yarn, the working yarn, so as I pull, it continues to give me that stability, so the yarn isn't flip-flopping and all over the place. And if you keep going, you could see that it's making a nice straight braid, which is what you want to see. So some people call it a braid, some people call it V's, whatever you want to call it. If it lies flat and it's nice and straight, you're doing it correctly. Now, I'm not so much worried about you using the correct terminology, but if you go to read patterns, you'll find that some people talk about the working yarn, and that's the yarn that comes off the skein, and this is your chain.